Very critical. Dakota Johnson shares about Jamie Dornan's health condition. After lengthy surgery, Hollywood held its breath when news of actor Jamie Dornan's hours-long surgery broke. And the first to speak out about his condition was none other than close co-star and longtime friend Dakota Johnson. In an emotional interview, Dakota broke down in tears as she recounted the terrifying moments she witnessed her co-star fighting for his life. Very critical. We didn't know if he was going to make it, Dakota sobbed, tears welling up in her eyes. A lengthy and dangerous surgery. According to sources from Jamie Dornan's team, the actor had to undergo a complex surgery that lasted more than 8 hours after suffering a serious health problem. Details of Jamie's condition were not released, but family members said his condition was very critical in the early hours. Dakota, who has been with him for many years since the 50 Shades of Grey series, couldn't hide her emotions as she recalled, "I was in the hospital all night. Every minute felt like a century. He's a strong man, but in that moment, I've never seen Jamie so vulnerable." She said Jamie suffered several unexpected complications during surgery, forcing doctors to intervene urgently. They said if it had been a few minutes later, maybe things would have been different, she choked up. A true friendship between two big stars from the very beginning of filming 50 Shades of Grey. Dakota and Jamie formed a friendship that is rare. In Hollywood, sincere, natural and full of respect. Despite often being rumored to have special feelings, the two have always insisted that their relationship transcends all definitions. Jamie is more than just a co-star. He is a part of my youth, the person who makes me believe that there is still goodness in this world, Dakota shared. When asked what touched her most during Jamie's time in the hospital, Dakota replied, "I remember the moment he opened his eyes and gave a little smile. I knew he wouldn't give up." Fan reaction. The whole world is praying for him. As soon as the news broke, social media was flooded with prayers and love from all over. The hashtag #StayStrongJamie quickly trended worldwide. One fan wrote on Twitter, "Jamie has given us emotion, strength and love for years. Now it's time to give all that strength back to him." Colleagues in the industry also expressed their support. Actress Emily Blunt wrote, "Jamie is a fighter. He will get through this because he is the light of the show." Dakota Johnson, the friend who never leaves his side during Jamie's recovery. Dakota barely left the hospital. She helped communicate with his family, encouraged the medical team and even prepared meals when he could have a snack. "I didn't do it because I had to. I did it because he deserved to be loved." Jamie is an amazing person, Dakota said, softly, her voice shaking. She also admitted that the surgery made her realize the fragility of life. When you see someone you love fighting to live, you start to appreciate every moment more, she said. Jamie Dornan's recovery and a new promise. Jamie is reportedly doing well. Although he still needs time to recover, he is already walking around and chatting with friends. His rep shared, "Jamie is very touched by the love everyone has shown him. He promises to come back stronger than ever." Dota smiled when asked about it. "He will be fine. I know him. Jamie never gives up. And I will always be here." Yojak Chinhu. As a friend, as a teammate, as someone who believes in him unconditionally. A strong friendship between light and dark in the scandal-ridden world of Hollywood. There are few relationships as pure and sincere as Dakota Johnson and Jamie Dornan. This story not only touched fans but also reminded them that behind the bright lights, there are still hearts that know how to love, fear and hope. And perhaps, when Dakota said it's important, she was not just talking about Jamie's life, but also about the love, loyalty and humanity between two souls who have been through life's light and dark together.